A programming language is a language that allows humans to communicate with computers or machines. In other words and simple terms, we have a language to communicate with humans. Similarly, we have a language to communicate with machines that is called as programming language. Two levels of programming language: high level programming languages, low level programming languages. High level programming languages. These languages provide a higher level of abstraction. These are closer to human thought and human language and allows programmers to write codes in human readable syntax. Low level programming languages. These languages provide a lower level of abstraction. These languages offers a direct control or manipulation over hardware and system resources. Examples of low and high level programming languages. High level programming languages such as Python, Java, C#, Ruby, and JavaScript. Low level programming languages such as assembly language, Rust, C, C++. Applications of high level programming languages: web development, mobile app development, game development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and much more. Low-level programming languages are used in embedded systems development, operating system development, and many others.